And
Kajol,
not as
Shahrukh.
many cars also.
Yeah,
Not as
Kajol,
many
Shahrukh.
cars.
I would not.
I was so impressed. Wait, प्रीति, अभी चुप रहो तुम, मैं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? मेरे को मूवी अच्छी लगी. मेरे को थोड़ा सिंप करने दो.
Preeti is ready to disagree.
Yeah. Funny.
Yeah, man. Oh yeah, and that one scene where Shahrukh is offended कि यार तूने मुझे मूवी बना दिया यार. We were mafia, man. Like.
एक तो his vest is best is what I want to say again. That
Yeah.
black vest, red banana look with chef's kiss.
Hello. Welcome to a new episode of 10 रुपए की Pepsi. हमारा शाहरुख sexy. I'm Digvijay, and with me there's Preeti and Diksha. We're three friends. We try to record a podcast weekly. We watch a SRK movie, ideally weekly, and then try and review it and discuss it and talk about all the things that we like about SRK in this movie.
अभी तो हम काफी वीकली देख रहे हैं, रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहे हैं, बस एडिट नहीं कर
रिकॉर्ड
पा
भी
रहे
कर रहे हैं.
Release नहीं
वो
कर रहे.
हाँ एक्चुअली वही है. रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, एडिट मतलब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है एंड हम देख रहे हैं, बट वो एडिट इज ठीक है, कोई ना कोई कर लेगा बाद में. कोई ना कोई इवेंचुअली टर्न्स आउट टू बी दीक्षा. समटाइम्स प्रीति.
नहीं प्रीति
Hello.
करती है आजकल.
सॉरी. अरे मतलब मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना, तो मेरे लिए एक्स
अब ये वाले
other
एपिसोड
than
के
me.
बाद एग्जैक्टली 3 का बैकलॉग होगा, तो एक तीनों कर सकते हैं.
हाँ ठीक है, आई थिंक दैट मेक्स सेंस. बट ठीक है ना, we're also like professionals कि हम बहुत सारे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, फिर एक एक करके एडिट कर रहे हैं.
Oh, nice.
It's not like बस आज ही.
Nice.
The first time, like first episode we recorded, we uploaded it the same day within like half an hour. पहले हम ऐसे ही करते थे. But now we are like pro editors. So slowly करते हैं.
But
Procrastinators.
people have been asking me कि
Procrastinators.
मतलब I put up a story of Om
सिर्फ
Shanti
तुमसे
Om and they're
पूछते हैं
like
सिर्फ
कि
दीक्षा.
is Om Shanti Om coming on the podcast soon? This is the question I got. I'm like, no, actually,
Oh
there's
God.
like 3 episodes का backlog. उसके बाद maybe we'll see.
Om Shanti हम तो पता भी नहीं हम लोग कब करेंगे. Has that been reserved for any guest yet? या वो खुला है
I
अभी?
don't think so. I think it's open.
I think so. Yeah, cool. All right. So, without further ado, we will step into this week's movie, which is Dilwale, which was my choice, and I really like the movie. Okay, that's why I chose it, and I want to see how you two feel about it. I know, but let's let the audience find out now. I also chose it because I'm in the minority in terms of why I like it, and because a lot of people don't like it. It didn't do that well as well. Even Shah Rukh and Kajol weren't as happy with how the movie fared eventually at the box office. And I think
Mostly
उसके
with the
आसपास
domestic
हाँ
revenue,
इंटरनेशनल
right?
तो
Like
फोड़ ही देता है यार.
internationally.
Domestic से see all Bollywood movies are always measured on the domestic collections because international is fine. This distribution share वगैरह is not the same. So it's not like effectively is based on the domestic sales and collection only. That is what decides a movie's hit or flop verdict in India. क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल तो शाहरुख हमेशा फोड़ देता है यार. एनी ब्लडी मूवी विल डू वेल ऑन इंटरनेशनल. तो एनआरआईज देख ही लेते हैं. If you want to compare it to other movies, that's a parameter you judge on. And also at the same time, I think same time or maybe a week later, Bajirao Mastani had also come out.
Same time, I think.
Same,
so,
yeah.
ना?
So
उसी
and
time
that
पे
clash
clash.
didn't really go well because that movie was a voracious hit, and that did
मैंने
did
बाजीराव
way better.
थिएटर में देखी थी, guys. दिलवाले
हाँ
नहीं
मैंने
देखी थी.
oh wow मैंने दोनों देखी थी. बाजीराव भी and दिलवाले
मैंने
भी.
दोनों ही नहीं देखी थी.
नहीं, so मतलब I think Bajirao I saw it with my parents and I think Dilwale I saw with my friends. I'm not wrong. But
2015 ना, I was in college, तो
2015, yeah.
पिलानी में क्या ही कहाँ
I'm
जाके
not
देखा.
sure if I was in college. कब आई थी? Was it the first half, second half?
2015 दिवाली release.
The first half or second?
दिवाली
Second
या
half,
Christmas
ना?
release तो हाँ.
Yeah. So I just joined my job. So I think I watched the movie with my friends maybe later, and the way it was released, I was at home. Okay. So as the format dictates, I'll go into the plot summary, and if you guys feel fit, feel free to jump in because a lot of things going on in the plot summary.
A lot of things going on the way. A lot of things have been going on in the first few minutes of this episode today.
I want to hear how Diggy will tell the plot. I am very interested.
Dude, reading the plot had me mind fucked. Like I was like, ये कैसे explain करेगा Diggy?
It's fairly easy, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. But this time I wish I had made little notes, but I will just wing it on my own. On basis of memory and two watches. Okay, so this movie essentially starts off with Shah Rukh Khan, who's Raj Bhai, who's a very demure, innocent sort of a person. Doesn't like violence at all. He runs a garage in Goa. He has a brother, Varun Dhawan. उसका नाम मुझे क्या वीर हाँ he has a brother Veer and he dotes on his brother. It's evidently when he talks to other people he's like अच्छा तुम चोरी भी कर रहे हो अपने छोटे भाई के लिए कर रहे हो तो ठीक है चलता है.
Like the way he talks, you would think कि उसका भाई मर गया है.
मर
मतलब
गया.
एक तो क्योंकि
हाँ.
उसका कुछ तो ट्रॉमा है जिंदगी में जो बताते नहीं है कि क्या है. और फिर वो इमीडिएटली उसके बाद वो डायलॉग मारता है कि भाई के लिए कुछ भी करना अलाउड है. एंड आई लाइक अरे डिड ही किल समबडी फॉर हिज ब्रदर? डिड हिज ब्रदर डाई? व्हाट इज दिस डील विद द ब्रदर? एंड देन यू फाइंड आउट द ब्रदर इज अलाइव एंड इट्स वरुण धवन एंड यू आर लाइक व्हाई द फक डज ही हैव सो मच इमोशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट इन वरुण धवन?
alive and kicking. And so essentially in the first entry Varun Dhawan को दिखाते हैं and he has to return a car that Shah Rukh and Varun Dhawan have remodded. He runs into Kriti Sanon and she has to meet an appointment in 10 minutes. So to help her meet that appointment, he rushes through like a random through the street, crashing into multiple things and wrecks the car, but Kriti reaches on time. So he keeps meeting her and they fall in love. When they fall in love, he wants to tell Shah Rukh कि Shah Rukh ऐसे I fall in love. But before I go into that, Varun Dhawan gets beaten up by some crooks. He beats them up and then gets beaten up by that. And this is my favorite scene of the movie, right? And this is this is a trope that I really love. And like Anjali identifies movies for me to watch on basis of this trope. is that when there's this guy who's seemingly chill, like बहुत ही innocent है, कुछ कर नहीं सकता है, लोग उसको फट्टू समझते हैं, but he's secretly a badass कि वो तुम्हें पीट के बुले हाथ कर देगा and वो
Diggy, do you like this trope because you think it's you?
I wish it was me. I was that badass in real life. But
इतनी एक्साइटमेंट के साथ तुम बोल रहे थे ऐसा लग रहा है कि तुम ही निकल के उन क्रुक्स को बीट अप करने वाले हो. मतलब
मुझे ये trope बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Like even in some of the Korean dramas, Anjali has made me watch this trope is something like ये मुझे देखना है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. even the movie that is inspired by Hum, Amitabh Bachchan's character is also a similar guy, very shant, Sushil, and Obi sort of goes crazy when his family is sort of attacked, and that's what happens when Shah Rukh finds out कि किसने मारा था. He finds them, like he identifies them, locates them, जाके, and turns out there's a Don.
Liam Neeson on their ass.
He goes Liam Neeson on their ass. Turns out King करके Don है, उसके बंदे होते हैं. एंड उनको पीट देता जाके बुरे हाल है, इतनी अच्छी तरह पीटता है. एंड जब वो पीटने जाता है ना, दैट इज व्हेन आई हूटेड इन द थिएटर. मुझे इतना मजा आया वो एंट्री देख के. Such a
And he
badass
burns
thing.
the
And I was
drugs.
the only one. And he
Some
burns the drugs.
crores worth of cocaine he sets on fire.
Yeah. So when King finds out as how he tries to identify कौन था, he suspects कि maybe Varun Dhawan's elder brother goes and meets him and turns out कह रहे यार ये तो बहुत ही टुच्चा आदमी है. And then Shah Rukh's henchmen sort of जो होते हैं ex जो उसके henchmen होते हैं now his sort of friends, they say कि अरे सर ये आपको डरा रहा था. And then Shah Rukh says something like कि हम शरीफ क्या हुए, दुनिया ही बदमाश है, गुंडे हो गए. And then we go back to flashback to identify what
Best
exactly was
dialogue
Shah Rukh.
वैसे by the way comments, but I love that dialogue.
Which one?
Like मूवी के डायलॉग बहुत अच्छे हैं, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छे लगे.
I mean, I don't want to get into that, but I just want to say when
we will get into it later.
the way Shah Rukh says हम शरीफ क्या हो गए, बाकी सब बदमाश हो गए, जो भी
हाँ ऐसे कुछ कहते हैं ना,
that one,
बदमाश हो गए, something like दुनिया
with the
बदमाश हो गई.
gravitas he says it, it's
हाँ, and then you know
chef's
कि
kiss.
something's coming and suddenly turns back to a flashback. As it turns out, Shah Rukh is a Don based in Bulgaria, and he's just the son of a Don. And there's a rival gang over there. And उन rival gang से लड़ते हुए, by running away from them, he runs into Kajol, a street artist on the side. He sort of, the car rams into her, and he's immediately falls in love almost. कि देख के he gets besotted. He finds
Very
वो कहाँ पे goes
Romeo
back.
and Juliet opposing
Very
gangs and
Romeo and
all that.
Juliet,
Like,
huh?
yeah.
Okay, thanks for revealing the mini spoiler, but who
Oh my
cares?
God.
Yeah, so anyways, he tries to woo her and they fall in love. There's a very small segment of a scene copied from How I Met Your Mother's 2-minute date that Ted takes Stella out
5-minute
on.
date.
Ted की 2 minute होती है.
Oh, okay.
इसमें 5 minutes.
शाहरुख की 5-minute date होती है. Right. Uh, Turns out Kajol is actually the daughter of the rival gang leader, and she traps him when he's trying to deliver a consignment of gold, and all like leaves him to almost die, but doesn't kill him. Obviously Shahrukh, when sees that, he's absolutely he's a little wild, he's a little angry, but he tells his father, "Let me take care of it." And then he chases Shahrukh, literally
Oh,
chases in a
sorry.
car. He also was.
I want to say that she leaves him because it's her birthday.
हाँ उसका बर्थडे होता है कि चलो ठीक है जाने दिया. She could have ideally killed him, but then that won't be the movie
It's so
there.
nice. It's my birthday. I leave you. That's my gift to you. I'm so cute.
Give to her कि मैं birthday नहीं मरती लोगों को. But
Anjuli.
yeah, anyways, so he's chasing her. They have a very nice car scene. Then she falls down a cliff. He pulls her back up and tells her कि मैंने तो प्यार सच्ची में किया था, तुम्हारा ही धोखा था, and अगर आज के बाद अपनी शक्ल दिखाए तो जान से मार दूंगा. He's wants to tell her that, and basically that's when Kajol also realizes very Bollywoodish thing, and I love these tropes. मतलब ये जो old tropes होते हैं ना,
Enemies
at
to
that moment
lovers.
she realizes, हाँ, at that moment she realizes कि यार प्यार तो मुझे भी है इससे, मुझे बस एहसास नहीं था. And then she
Of
does
course.
this very this scene which is across multiple Bollywood Hollywood movies. She waits outside his house under the rain and till he comes out, and he finally does. He says I love you, and they fall in love, and then finally they decide कि okay, maybe we should tell our parents now, although they are rival gang members. शाहरुख के डैड मान जाते हैं, and then काजोल के डैड भी कहते हैं ठीक है, bring him and we will talk about it. Turns out Kajol's dad has a plan in mind. He wants to backstab them. Kajol isn't there. Shahrukh and his dad reach their house and
And
they
Kajol doesn't know about it
basically
also. Matlab, she
Kajol
is
doesn't know about it. Yeah,
genuinely in
she has
love
no
with Shah
idea.
Rukh Khan. She thinks her dad is
Yeah,
agreed and all that.
yeah. So they say कि ठीक है, we are going to now kill these people, and that's when the flashback sort of stops. It goes back to the present.
Wow, Dicky. Scene by scene बता रहे हो भाई.
तो इतना भी नहीं, but I wanted to sort of go to and fro as
Cute.
the movie did. So finally, Varun Dhawan goes to Shahrukh, says कि यार there's this girl I want to marry her, Varun Dhawan and Kriti, and he says ठीक है, I'll go and meet her sister. When he goes and meets her and realizes, oh shit, this is actually Kajol.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. And basically
Okay.
Kajol says and Kajol says
Fuck
sorry, fuck you, मैं तो नहीं शादी तुम्हारी करवा रही. And then Varun Dhawan is so confused कि यार क्या हुआ. Shahrukh just says don't ask me questions. जो हुआ वो हुआ.
Oh man, I want to watch that scene again. This is the best.
So
That
Varun
was
Dhawan,
my best
Varun
scene in
Dhawan,
the movie. Okay.
it's so funny.
I didn't
Varun
even
Dhawan,
catch half of it because I was laughing so much in that scene.
yeah, I've
Pogo and
rewatched it again and again. Varun Dhawan goes to Shahrukh's two henchmen who are Mukesh Tiwari, I think, and Pankaj Tripathi, right? Who play Anwar and Anwar Bhai, and for forgetting the other guy's name. And
I thought ये कुछ का सवाल होगा.
नहीं मैं कुछ की डिटेल्स नहीं रिवील कर रहा है, थोड़ी मेहनत करी है इस बार मैंने. तो बेसिकली दे गो टू एंड दे आर रिवीलिंग. सो बेसिकली उस सीन में क्या होता है कि सामने टीवी चल रहा होता है, एंड दिस गाय इज चेंजिंग चैनल्स, एंड as the channel changes they try to spin a story on basis of what they can see in front of them. So basically they spin a story कि यार तुम्हारा भाई धोबी था, वो उसका नाम रामलाल था, काजोल का असली नाम पोगो था, and they fell in love, but Kajol didn't want to marry a dhobi, उसको पैसों की वो थी, and that's why they couldn't eventually end up with each other. And because उनका लफड़ा है पुराना, तो therefore you guys can't marry each other. So then there's a very Varun Dhawan and his friend Varun Sharma, का नाम क्या होता है यार, तो मुझे याद भी नहीं. Anyways,
Sidhu.
these
For
two
me, he's
tried.
चूचा.
हाँ चूचा ही है वो, हर मूवी में चूचा ही होता है. So they try different harebrained schemes to get them together, और वो effectively होता नहीं है. And but by a turn of some events, eventually Kajol gets back in touch. Gets back in touch with
Her father's henchman.
her father's henchman, and he reveals कि actually धोखा हमने दिया था. उस टाइम पे ये हुआ था कि we basically ended up attacking them, and that in that event Shahrukh's dad and Kajol's dad die, and as Shahrukh is trying to hold his dad as he's dying, as his dying dad, he takes his gun and the gun is pointing towards Kajol's dad. I mean, that's when Kajol enters and sees, oh shit, he's murdered my dad, and that's where the actual story is. Kajol feels that Shahrukh ended up double crossing us and killing my dad, and that's why she doesn't want to get her sister married to his brother. Turns out actually ऐसा नहीं होता. Kajol goes back to Shahrukh, tells him, listen, all is fine and dandy, they can get married. They do decide to eventually get married, and then the movie ends in a very nice sort of a climax where Varun Dhawan's friend and his fiancée are getting married, and some bit of action there, here and there, and then Shahrukh and Kajol also eventually decide कि we will also get married. In a nutshell, that's the movie. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ लगता है मैंने मिस कर दिया तो बता दो. I
मुझे
tried
नहीं
to
नहीं एक चीज मिस करी आपने.
skip through all the parts which are part of the quiz, but हाँ, go ahead.
अच्छा.
मैंने जरा skip किया था.
What a giveaway. I want to laugh like Gambo खुश हुआ. But I was gonna say that you missed the part where she actually shoots him in the interval.
Oh yeah,
like
fuck yeah. So sorry, yeah,
Like-
that's not
like-
part of the quiz. Yeah, so when she sees Shahrukh apparently kill her dad, she shoots him. Because she had told him,
Because
if
she'd
you
said
if you
कि
double cross
you-
me, I will shoot you, and she does. And so Shahrukh is traumatized by that incident. Kajol obviously hates Shahrukh's guts, and he's not able to explain to her because she leaves as soon as unless she leaves Bulgaria right after that. And when Shahrukh recovers, she's already gone. So they haven't kept in touch the last 15 years or whatever the approximate amount was, 14 years. Anyways, that's that's the plot. Very harebrained, random here and there plot, but extremely funny. At least I feel so. There are a lot of jokes there which I feel land really well. मतलब मैं अब इतनी बार देख रखा हूँ ना. I watched this movie in the theater. मैं फिर से rewatch करी थी. मैं एक बार घर पे सफाई करते करते कमरे में मैंने ये movie देख ली थी. एक बार ऐसे ही अंजलि wasn't at home. I rewatched this movie. I've rewatched this movie twice in the last 2-3 days. So मुझे हर बार हंसी आती है. मुझे बहुत मजा आता है देख के. It's such a fun movie. Obviously didn't do well, right? And maybe we can go into that as well, why it didn't do well. But for both of you, this was the first watch. And both of you have widely different thoughts of the movie.
I
So
loved
my
it.
thoughts, my
I
thoughts
had
are pretty
so
so, yeah.
much fun. I
Cue
was
Diksha now.
not expecting anything at all when I started watching. It was so random. Every 2 minutes, I'm like, ये क्या चल रहा है? ये क्या चल रहा है? But the cast was great. Like it was all comedy bigs. There was Johnny
Yeah.
Liver. There was and they were like really good.
Who's so
general
good?
drama acting
Johnny Liver
also.
is so good in this
Johnny
movie,
Liver is
dude.
so
He is
good.
so
Baman
good.
Irani is so randomly good. Okay, मतलब every and dude Pankaj Tripathi has such good comic timing. I had no idea. क्या
What? You've
delivery
not seen his
देता है
comedy
यार?
movies, क्या?
नहीं
That's his
देखी है.
forte, dude. It's not Wasipur and all of that. Iska forte ही comedy है. See, watch
It
3
was
and his
so
other.
funny that entire sequence where he narrates that story of Pogo
That's
and
my favorite
Ramlal.
scene.
It was so
That's my
fucking
favorite.
funny.
So
Too
good.
funny, too funny. मतलब और मतलब वो इतना straight face के साथ ऐसा comedy deliver करता है ना. मतलब मेरे को क्या मजा आया इस movie में. एकदम ही मतलब it's a masala film. I would not say it's dumb comedy. Okay, like there are quite dumb
हाँ,
jokes
slapstick
in it.
नहीं है. ऐसा
Slapstick नहीं
random
है.
sexual slapstick jokes
हाँ
नहीं है.
वैसा नहीं है. It's like a nice
हाँ.
masala film, Rohit Shetty type का. Only there's cars flying
Yeah,
around and everything, but it's fun and it's like
And
Kajol
not as
Shahrukh.
many cars also.
Yeah,
Not as
Kajol
many cars.
Shahrukh.
I would not.
I was so impressed. Wait प्रीति, अभी चुप रहो तुम. मैं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? मेरे को मूवी अच्छी लगी. मेरे को थोड़ा सिंप करने दो.
Preeti is ready to disagree
Yeah.
at the drop of a hat. Yeah, go
Kajol
ahead.
Shahrukh, I am so impressed because when the movie started, right, the flashback sequence started, I'm not feeling it. Where is that Kajol Shahrukh magic? ये लोग क्या कैसे मतलब
Yeah.
कुछ तो chemistry में missing है. It's just not cutting it. And I'm like, यार, what is happening? At this point, Shahrukh doesn't know that Kajol is the opposing Don's daughter. मतलब मेरे को पता था, but
Yeah.
I thought she's like some मतलब maybe innocent bystander. जैसे वीर को नहीं पता है कि क्या हो रहा है उसकी फैमिली में, जैसे काजोल को भी नहीं पता होगा क्या हो रहा है उसकी फैमिली में. कि क्या चल रहा है ना. And I actually at one point sent a message on the group saying कि I think Kajol is the wrong casting for this. She's too fierce for this role. I think they should have put like Juhi Chawla or something who could have brought out a little bit more innocence and all that. The next fucking scene, Kajol is stepping out of the car and pointing a gun at Shahrukh's head. I'm like, oh my god, I was so mind fucked. I was like, this I did not
That
see
was
coming.
so funny. That was
And
so funny. Like
every
you're saying she's so fierce, and I'm like, wait for it. That scene is about to come.
And literally the scene after that that has the two of them together, that car chase. My God, you can see the Kajol Shahrukh chemistry just switch on. And I was like so
Yeah.
impressed. I was like, they can literally turn it on and off. Like they have something between the two of them that is just not replicable by any couple, by any other actress with Shahrukh Khan. Yeah, yes, Shahrukh Khan can romance a mop, he can romance a wall, and you will still see it in his eyes. But the magic with Kajol is just something else, and that they create and they can turn it off with such panache. It was like so intense, that just that gaze between the two of them when the cars are spinning, and then when he saves her off the cliff, I was like, fuck, now I can feel it. Now I can see that Shahrukh Kajol chemistry. And then it was there throughout the movie after that, like that tension between the two of them. It was just
Yeah.
it was so good and like just so funny यार, मतलब बहुत मजा आया मेरे को तो. I think this is going to be one movie I'm going to keep going back to. I can't believe I'm saying this about Rohit Shetty film, because generally मेरे को गोलमाल टाइप की मूवी बहुत टाइम पास लगती है, बट दिवाली बहुत मजा आया.
Yeah, definitely. Extremely funny movie.
Okay,
Yeah.
Preeti, now you can talk.
And मैं उस टाइम पे वैसे तुमको वो नहीं कर रही थी, like I was not like क्या I was not going to argue with what you're saying. I was going to say कि ऐसा नहीं था कि कम गाड़ियां थी पर रोहित शेट्टी मूवी जैसा डिग्गी ने कहा, मेरे को ऐसा नहीं लगा. तो I was yeah arguing with Diggy and not you, Diksha.
Okay, sorry, Preeti.
But lol. So yes, my first watch, मैंने इसका plot summary कुछ मतलब no trailer, no nothing I have seen. I have no idea what the movie like looks like. It just was named Dilwale, not really दुल्हनिया ले जाएंगे, but मेरे को तो नहीं ही अच्छी लगी बहुत. I think I had a lot of issues.
नहीं अच्छी लगी बहुत.
मतलब
अच्छा.
it's like, see, I'll tell you, like there were bits and parts to it which were funny. Some gags here and there were really good. I wouldn't say the actors weren't like great and all that. I disagree with the Boman Irani piece a bit, because I didn't find, like, I thought he as an actor and the jokes that could have landed weren't really, like, they weren't that for me at least.
Mhm.
And overall, I think बहुत ठीक है. I am okay with predictable movies because of course like comfort, all that. But I don't know, it didn't work for me. I don't know, like a
Which
lot
is
of the
fine. Which is the
colors.
which is the majority opinion. Like a lot of
Yeah.
Yeah.
people didn't like the
Diggy and I
movie,
are
so
like a
which is
very
fine.
minority opinion. This movie, it has, I mean, I spoke to a lot of Shahrukh fans. Nobody has liked this film. It has tanked
हाँ,
for
लोगों को
almost
नहीं अच्छी
everyone.
लगती है ये.
लोगों को बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छी लगती, पर मेरे को इतना मजा आया. It's like, it was just, yeah, I can't believe it was so
I,
fun.
I think for me it was first the colors was too daunting. Like they were too vibrant all over the place. I don't know how to express it, but
The
it
colors,
weren't
especially in the Goa scenes, were very,
Yeah.
very vibrant,
in
and
the
also in the flashback initial first half when they're falling in
yeah.
love sorts. Yeah.
So that and the other thing for me was like the editing was really choppy. Like I
Yeah.
hated it. The camera work, sorry, but really shitty. There were so many scenes that could have worked so well. Like I'm no director, I'm no nothing, like I don't know nothing about movie making. But if you have Shah Rukh and Kajol on screen,
Yeah.
you have one rule: you stay on them. I don't know why Rohit Shetty didn't get the memo, because there were so many scenes where the camera would just move here and there, here and there, here and there, and the impact of the scene, at least for me, that it could have been in certain dialogues, etc., it didn't work for me because of the edit and the shaky camera everywhere. Second, the de-aging bit, like Kajal looked very different. Like the whole, she's so bright suddenly. It looks, something about it is so fake. I couldn't get past that to even focus in the movie. Like I just kept noticing कि उसकी like neck and gardan, they look like neck and gardan are the same thing, sorry. Face and neck looked looked like there was massive difference. It looked like they had done some graphic de-aging, whatever they tried to do with her to make her, I don't know, more palatable. I have no idea what that is, but that didn't sit well with me
No, but
at
it was
all
a
because
flashback ना, they were showing कि 15 साल पहले की बात, तो
हाँ मतलब
they
जो
were
भी like
de-aging by 15 years. मतलब yeah, ideally just cast younger actors, but like yeah, I mean
like
if they have
No, but when
Kajol
you're showing a
Sharuk,
flashback, तो फिर मतलब how would you cast
yeah.
younger actors?
No, I mean
और
I
जो
mean,
भी है आई एम सेइंग कि नहीं मतलब it didn't work for me like I didn't like this that whole because it looked so fake to me that I couldn't believe in them even for a bit and then I think थोड़ा बहुत ही ज्यादा predictable भी लग रहा था कुछ बीच बीच एंड शाहरुख के सीन्स ही कम थे
but
यार मतलब
explain
ये है ना
this
crux
will
of the
this
problem.
this criticism will come back to later. ठीक है, ये तो हर बार का रहता है.
No,
But
no, but I agree with everything Preeti said. Like,
no, but
genuinely,
the only
the
thing I don't
editing
agree
was
with is
really
it
bad.
is
The
the
lighting
editing
was
was
super
bad.
off. मतलब ऐसे बीच बीच में बहुत dark हो जाता था, बीच बीच में बहुत ज़्यादा vibrant colors आ जाते थे. It was all over the place. But none of that affected the viewing experience for me because I was not paying attention. मतलब I was not watching from a
Paying
very
attention.
critical lens. I was
Yeah,
watching from a
agreed.
ये fun movie है मेरे को मजा आ रहा है. तो मतलब yeah, a lot of the dialogues could have landed a lot better. A lot of the scenes with Shah Rukh Kajol could have been done much, much, much better. But it didn't take away from the enjoyment of what was presented on screen for me. So
for me, I think the all the scenes where Varun and other Varun were there, they really took away. Like जो भी मुझे थोड़ा भी मजा आ रहा था उसमें बीच में वो आ जा रहे थे तो मुझे लग रहा था इनको निकालो यहाँ से. Like there is a scene where Pankaj Tripathi and what's the other guy's name and everybody is there. And उनकी Johnny Lever is there, and I don't know what they're sharing. I'm forgetting the scene because clearly I didn't pay enough attention. बट यू कैन सी कि वो भी फ्रस्ट्रेटेड से फील हो रहे हैं कि ये क्या एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे हम तीन लोग इतना एफर्ट मार के इतना अच्छा सीन कर रहे हैं सो आई गेस I
I
was
think
not into
I disagree with 2 points. One is the predictability of the movie. Every masala movie, commercial movie, rom-com movie has a very standard linear
yeah
plot,
I'm
and it
not
is always predictable. In fact, I felt कि इसमें थोड़ा तो आगे पीछे था in terms of what's
yeah,
going to
like at
happen,
least
क्या
that
चल रहा है.
Kajol reveal was I did not see it coming.
Yeah. So at least that I feel. सेकंड यार मेरे को तो वरुण धवन की एक्टिंग अच्छी लगी. मुझे
मेरे को भी
जनरली उसकी
मतलब मैं
एक्टिंग इतनी बुरी नहीं
एक्टिंग जज
लगती.
भी नहीं कर रही थी बट कॉमिक डिलीवरी ठीक ठाक था उसका. लाइक आई वाज
I
लाफिंग एट
think
हिज
his
सीन्स आल्सो.
कॉमेडी उसको अच्छी करनी आती है. वो सीरियस रोज नहीं कर सकता. आई फील
हाँ
हिज
मतलब
कॉमिक
दैट
टाइमिंग
ही
रियली
मतलब
सॉर्ट ऑफ
inherited from his
लैंड्स
dad.
वेल.
So
हाँ,
I
मुझे तो
I don't agree that he's just a comic actor because October is his favorite movie of mine. He's done
मैंने देखी
terrific
नहीं है. बट
acting
हाँ
in
लाइक
it.
बट वो इतनी ज्यादा लैंड नहीं करती है उसकी. लाइक जो बाकी मूवीज होती हैं. आई हैव सीन बदलापुर व्हिच इज अ डैम गुड मूवी. आई थिंक दैट्स हिज बेस्ट वर्क दैट आई हैव सीन. बट अदरवाइज जनरली कॉमेडी वो कर लेता है. इज नॉट
मतलब
दैट
like it
बैड.
didn't work for me, Diggy. That's all. Like it
But
just
that's okay.
I don't.
Man, everybody
हाँ,
is
Varun's
entitled to.
the other Chucha's
वो
character
तो
was
चूचा ही
also
होता
not
है. वो हर
working
जगह
me.
चूचा होता है. He does चूचा very well and he does it in every movie. तो वो
Right,
repetitive
for
होता
me
है.
it was like नहीं हो पाया था and बीच बीच में वो random car chase because it's a Rohit Shetty movie. I think after a point I was like, yeah, cut to it, yeah. Like I think that was I wanted to see more of Shah Rukh. I wanted to see more of Kajol. I guess if the flashback was a little shorter and they actually did show a lot of the real middle-aged Shah Rukh Kajol, I think I would have appreciated it a lot more because oh my God, Janam Janam is such a beautiful song. It is their chemistry is so like so good. Wet Shah Rukh, everything all over faces. Like I just felt कि ऐसे ही दिखा देते यार थोड़ा और फ्लैशबैक थोड़ा छोटा कर देते. I don't know, guest appearance दे देते कुछ एक दो. I have no idea how they could have done this better. But for me, the bigger part of the flashback and the way they shot it didn't really work for me. Also, I kept thinking कि how is she so cool with the fact that in the flashback कि जैसे वो सब बोलता है कि I know I should have left my brain when I was going to watch a Rohit Shetty film, but when when Shah Rukh introduces him and tells that मैं उस Don का बेटा हूँ, she's so cool. Like she like
because
for
उसको
me
पता
it's
है ना
Because she knows,
already.
no.
वो भी
Did
डॉन
you
की
really leave
बेटी
your brain
है.
behind? She knows the.
शाहरुख नहीं, राज को क्यों नहीं पता चल रहा है काली जो भी जब वो कालिया होता है तो उसको क्यों नहीं पता चल रहा, उसको शक नहीं हो
काली.
रहा कि हाउ इज शी सो
नहीं भाई उसको प्यार हो
नॉनचुलेंट
गया
विद
है.
हर.
प्यार में इंसान बेवकूफ बन जाता है प्रीति। तुमने
इसलिए
बॉलीवुड
हाँ,
से इतना भी नहीं सीखा है इतने सालों में।
ये तो तुम बहुत ज्यादा ये तो हॉलीवुड मूवीज में नुआंस नहीं होता है यार।
मैंने बोला था करण अर्जुन का रिपीट होगा एग्जैक्टली। प्रीति कोई बहुत ही नॉनसेंसिकल स्टेटमेंट बोली कि काजोल को रियलाइज के मतलब शाहरुख को शक कैसे नहीं हुआ कि काजोल को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है कि
मतलब
वो
there are
डॉन का बेटा
so many other things that you can point out logically in the
No,
movie,
I
which
did
I will
point
agree
out.
with.
See, that also
स्टोरी
you are
लाइन में
not
प्लॉट
agreeing
होल,
with.
स्टोरी में प्लॉट होल बहुत ज्यादा है, ये प्लॉट होल तो नहीं था।
फोन क्यों नहीं है उनके पास? Yeah, also, why didn't they have phone? All of this could have been solved if they just used their phones. And it's not like it's based in the 90s or something, right? It's just 2015. I'm assuming
When
it
did they
was.
not have
but the
phone?
flashback was probably to the year
2000
2000, right?
2000 में फ्लैशबैक था। They did have a phone, like शाहरुख had a phone, उसने उसका
प्रीति
नंबर लिया था काजल का।
timeline issues.
अरे
Why didn't they
यार,
have child brides? Why didn't they have phones? It was
See,
the
I'll
year.
tell you what I'll give you. I'll give you the fact कि शाहरुख काजोल की scenes कम थे, and I think that is one of the major reasons where the movie didn't land, because वो promote भी इस तरह किया गया था यार, शाहरुख काजोल का comeback है, काजोल का 5 साल बाद comeback है again with शाहरुख खान, and when people expect that जोड़ी, they expect a lot of scenes उन दोनों के एक साथ, and
वरुण धवन को
because
हीरो बनाया हुआ था यार शाहरुख खान के सामने. What were they expecting me to like the
हीरो
movie?
तो
Sorry.
तो
This is an
I'm so
ensemble
hard trying
cast.
to get an objective
Yeah.
point of view into this. This is like fucking वरुण धवन क्यों था? We started with like 5 minutes of reason कि यार ये गलत था, एडिटिंग सही नहीं था, लाइटिंग सही नहीं था, ये नहीं था, और जो वरुण धवन क्यों था मूवी में?
No, I don't have a problem. I think it's just that they see Varun Dhawan and Kriti are, at least at that point, weren't necessarily great actors to pull a movie like this. Like
वरुण
all
धवन
other
had
actors.
given 2 hits by then,
And also
Yeah, but
it was no like
ABCD and
even
I
though it
think
was
Badlapur.
promoted as a Shah Rukh Kajol movie and the name was Dilwale, that's why you were expecting a lot more of them. But it was an ensemble cast comedy. Like all the promo materials, if you see the poster has 4 faces on it, and they're all of equal size. Like it's not advertised as a Shah Rukh movie.
sorry. But I'll be like, पीछे लेकिन इतना ज्यादा promotions किए थे ना शाहरुख और काजल ने उस time पे, like back in 2015, it felt like it's
Yeah,
their
that's what I'm saying. That was
तुमने तो
their
देखी भी थी
promo
2015
strategy.
में, तुम्हें
So
कैसे
it's
पता?
okay to be
नहीं थी.
disappointed कि उनकी footage कम थी. I'm agreeing with
And
you. I'm like, yeah, footage कम थी, but like it was an ensemble cast comedy. I'm okay with it. Like I wish there was more Shah Rukh Kajol also. I wish they had given me my middle-aged rom-com that I wanted, not just a few cherry-picked scenes idhar udhar. But I still enjoyed the movie in spite of Varun Dhawan and Kriti Sanon. I
It's
thought
not
they
a
added to
romance.
the comedy. Yeah.
It's a masala. It's not a rom-com. It's that's, and in fact some of the funniest scenes had Varun Dhawan in it. यार, some of the
Sorry,
literally
Preeti.
funniest scenes.
it's
This
so
is like
cute.
तुम
You know,
जाओ
like,
भाड़ में।
Every time he called Kajol Pogo, like I think I
Pogo
2
ji.
years were added to my life. Pogo ji added 2 years to my life every time he said it. Like it was so funny, and she didn't react to it even once, and that made it
हाँ,
funnier. Because I'm like, she's just going along with it. Like this guy is calling her Pogo for God knows what reason, and she's like, yeah, okay, I am Pogo.
yeah.
you know, when you say it like that, it's funny, but in the movie, it wasn't funny for me. I wish
हाँ,
they thought it that
because
way.
ये तो था, like definitely people expected more Shahrukh Kajol in it and it wasn't there, and मतलब आप क्योंकि आप रोमांस या रोम-कॉम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो, ऐसा कुछ कर रहे हो, आपको कोई जोड़ी जोड़ी पिच किया, and I completely agree with you Preeti, like that is like a very fair reason to dislike the movie, and which is why a
No,
lot of people
I
dislike the
think,
movie.
see, my point is not that they were not enough in the movie. I guess if the other cast, like for example, Pankaj Tripathi, Johnny Lever, I really am feeling sad. I'm forgetting the other actor's name, but every
Mukesh
time they
Tiwari.
were in, yeah, Mukesh
Okay.
Tiwari. So whenever
Yeah.
they were in scenes, they held the screen. Even Kiran Bedi बोल रहे हो, पागल हो गया मैं, क्या नाम है उसका, कबीर बेदी, उसका जो फादर प्ले करता है, all that. So whenever they are in the scene, they're still holding presence.
Yeah.
But a
Yeah.
lot of the time when okay, like I know you disagree with me, but whenever other Varun and Kriti were there, I just felt that they couldn't take it forward as much as other actors could. And wherever probably they did, I think I did not really like the background music because it was too loud at some points. And anyhow, I'm probably nitpicking right now, but I didn't like it as well. So yeah, if I don't mind having a guest appearance Shah Rukh movie, yaar. If that's also the case, like there's so many of them in which I will just go because he is in 15
Not
minutes for the
a
movie.
guest appearance.
Yeah,
मतलब
I watched.
इतना
नहीं,
तो
she's
मत
saying
बोलो.
she doesn't mind a movie
अच्छा
with less
वैसे,
of Shah
okay,
Rukh in
okay.
it. Yeah,
It's
agreed.
not like
I
यार.
watched Tiger 3 in the theater for Shah Rukh. It's such a bad movie.
I mean, I watched Brahmastra only because I got to know that there's 15 minutes of Shah Rukh in it. I
Oh,
don't think
अच्छा
it
नहीं,
was 15
ब्रह्मास्त्र तो I was
minutes.
super excited about.
So my point being that I'm not that वो कि शाहरुख इतना कम था, which I am here क्योंकि his comic timing
Preeti,
is
come
so
on,
good यार.
let's be honest. You are. You didn't like.
Comic was so
You
good.
hacked off that. Okay, कौन सी movie में से निकाले थे आधा point? Forgetting. Was that Dawn? Did she give 4.5 because कि अर्जुन रामपाल ज्यादा था?
नहीं
या
नहीं
डर
ऐसी बातें करो
डर
डर.
डर से निकाला था because
Sunny
Sunny
Deol
Deol was
Shalom.
there.
मतलब
No, but
बनता
I'll
है
tell you
यार
what.
please.
If I was nitpicking this film, I would agree with most of what Preeti is saying. It's just that the
Yeah.
film was so fun for me that I don't feel like nitpicking on it. Like if I enjoyed the final product, तो मैं उसमें बुराइयां क्यों निकालूं? मतलब प्रीति को मजा नहीं आया, वो बुराइयां निकाल रही है, which is fair, like totally
Yeah, if
fair.
the movie doesn't land for you, doesn't land for
Yeah,
you,
it
and then you
doesn't
start
land for you.
identifying
Yeah.
all the things as. So, like for me, and I've said this before in the podcast as well. For me, the basic benchmark to judge a movie is not अरे acting. वो सब होता है, like obviously
मजा
all
आया
of
कि
that.
नहीं? Like at the end
मजा
of
है
it,
कि
do
नहीं?
you feel like you took something away?
वो 2-3 घंटे आपके निकल गए ना विदाउट लाइक थोड़ा थोड़ा सा बोर हुए सोच के अरे क्या चल रहा है या बार बार फोन देखते हुए इफ दैट हैपेंस देन यू लाइक सॉर्टेड एंड मतलब एडमिटेडली एंड एज पर अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल अराउंड मी माय फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली कि मेरा बेंचमार्क बहुत लो है तो मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि ये सही तरीका है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मूवी पसंद आ जाती है इस कारण बट फिर
अगर हम
लाइक
साथ में
दैट्स
नहीं
जस्ट
देख
हाउ
रहे
आई लुक
होते
एट मूवीज
तो मैं शायद एक पॉइंट के बाद बंद कर देती फॉर श्योर, या फिर आगे आगे जाके शाहरुख और काजल वाले सीन्स देख लेते. उसमें भी देयर इज अ सीन वेयर दे they're pointing guns at each other. यार शाहरुख काजल pointing guns at each other is so sad to my heart. Don't do this. I don't want that. Sorry. But yeah,
No, for me
that is a
that intensity was
non-predictable
just
part
like,
of the movie.
yeah, it was so, I was like
but it
hooked. I
was
was
well
like,
done. It was a well done scene. I am not
Enemies to
taking it
lovers to
away.
yeah,
enemies to lovers trope
exactly,
यार
exactly. That's what
आगे
I was
पीछे
like,
चल रहा है
dude,
वो
even they hate each other because they love each other, and you can see the love in their hatred, and that, like, when their guns are pointed at each other, it was just beautiful. I loved it.
So yeah, those were my two bits about it. So
Yeah. Fun fact about this, like, and this is not, I was planning to put this in the quiz, but I thought कि यार ये तो शायद नहीं पता होगा. You talked about the music, right, and how it didn't land well. In fact, I thought कि वो most of the sound was fine.
Yeah, I
गेरुआ का
also
जो
thought the music
background था,
landed fine only.
but that one scene, and maybe I'll send you a video link after this, and we can post it online as well. There is a scene when Kajol, when inviting Varun Dhawan, for she tells Kriti, कि it's okay, I will agree to the marriage. Call Varun Dhawan over, and she tells, I have one condition. The only condition is you will cut off all ties with your brother and you come here and live with us. And which Varun Dhawan has a serious issue with. He says कि यार मतलब ये तो नहीं मतलब मैं कर सकता because he loves me more than my parents. And उस सारे time when he's saying that and then he's walking away, there is a very intense background music playing and it's such a good music. It's so fucking good कि तुम्हें लगता है यार
that's copied.
ये तो बॉलीवुड से नहीं हो सकता है ना क्योंकि इतना अच्छा है वो मतलब प्रीतम ने तो नहीं बनाया होगा ये वाला क्योंकि इट्स
मतलब
ब्लडी गुड
प्रीतम ने ही बनाया होगा.
Copied ही
नहीं
होगा
नहीं
क्या
Yeah.
मतलब.
हाँ मतलब प्रीतम नहीं बनाया एग्जैक्टली कॉपीड ही हो सकता है because I don't want to disparage. There's a lot of amazing musicians in Bollywood and probably some of them actually can do this, but Preetham can't. So when you know it's Preetham, you know it's copied. So let me just rephrase my words. I hate disparaging Hindi cinema or movies just because there's Hindi cinema or movies, right? But yeah, that is extremely good music, and you don't know Preetham can't do it. It's copied from Hans Zimmer, cut to cut.
Oh.
Man of Steel का एक soundtrack है एग्जैक्ट उसने वहां से उठाया है
Wow.
एंड इट मतलब इट लैंड सो वेल यू फील कि यार ये तो कुछ गलत है इतना अच्छा म्यूजिक नहीं होना चाहिए सीन में इट्स जस्ट गेटिंग टू नो कि अच्छा यार भाई से रिश्ता तोड़ना पड़ेगा अगर बीवी चाहिए तो
अच्छा तुमने क्विज में नहीं डाला, मैं तो बिल्कुल नहीं गेस कर पाती है मतलब.
या मतलब
ये
दैट
तो नहीं पता होता.
either I would have had to put the clip in it and वो भी I know के some of my friends who listen to Man of Steel का soundtrack obsessively might be able to find out. मैं भी नहीं identify कर पाता, थोड़ा research में पता लग गया था मुझे, but obviously Pritham and he's
Research
copied.
किया।
Yeah, Pritham, I think इसने काफी सारा यहाँ वहाँ से copied है, काफी सारी
हाँ
चीजें मैंने पढ़ी
हाँ
थी.
हम
Even the Geruwa I read, it's sampled from a couple of different songs. तो वो तो चलता ही है, प्रीतम तो कॉपी करेगा ही.
well,
But
I
the
wouldn't
background.
say Geruwa isn't a night song. Like, I'm not talking about the music of the movie per se. I
Oh,
mean,
actually, not Geruwa. You're talking. The background music is. कौन
yeah.
से? What are the lyrics, Preeti? I'm I suck at it. I don't even want to
नहीं
sing it.
नहीं,
सारा खराब हो जाएगा.
she's not even talking about the Janam Janam song. बीच बीच में
जन्म
जैसे,
जन्म. Yeah.
but she's not
जन्म
talking. She's
जन्म तो बार
talking
बार play
about the
करता है.
background score. She like just generally
मतलब in
the music
general,
that plays in scenes when the movie is happening. Like कुछ
Which is
मतलब
जन्म
for
जन्म most of the
important.
times. No?
नहीं, it can be Gen
नहीं,
music
other
only, but the Gen
अच्छा,
music
other
was just
otherwise.
not.
Okay.
She felt it was
Yeah.
not
Okay.
suiting the moment most of the time.
yeah, and because it's
Yeah.
a Rohit
Fair.
Shetty movie and there is dhadam dhadam happening, like action scenes are there and all that, and like the action music is also like I felt that it was too loud for my liking. That's all. Okay, I will not say
Yeah.
anything. Yeah, you can.
हाँ, मतलब
What's
so
our next
like.
section? Can I talk about Shah Rukh now? Can I please talk about Shah Rukh?
Wait. I want to talk about one more thing. So one more reason I like the movie is one is the one trope I talked about, right? कि अगर hidden sort of badass character है तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Second होता है any kind of bromance is friends or father-son relationship or brothers. Anytime there's a like the emotion is shown there. वो like मतलब मैं दिलवाले में थोड़ा सा रोया यार, मतलब जब वो उसको
देखिए ये थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया.
जब
इतनी
जब
अच्छी
वरुण
तो
धवन
मूवी
उसको
नहीं थी.
अरे नहीं I didn't like cry a lot, but I got a little like teary eyed when Varun Dhawan tells him कि उसने काजोल ने ऐसे बोला कि भाई को छोड़ दो तो एंड शाहरुख से वेरी नॉन्चलेंटली कि अच्छा
तूने
तुमने क्या
एकदम से
बोला.
मना कर दिया? नहीं, for me
हाँ
it's like मतलब तुमने एकदम से मना कर दिया, इतना प्यार करते हो तुम मेरे से, like
हाँ
that's
मतलब पहली
that's a
चीज तो
nice
तुमने क्या किया, कहता
It's
मैंने
a
मना कर
cute
दिया
scene.
जाए हवा आने दे एंड अच्छा एकदम से मना कर दिया इसलिए कि अच्छा फिर आना यार इधर गिव मी अ हग एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ like it's
Yeah,
such
that
a
was very
non
cute.
very cute scene that was like तो मुझे मतलब any those kind of tropes, right? Any kind of friendship and brothers and fathers मुझे बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं, तो I buy into these things very easily. I just said my benchmark is anyways very low, so don't take my word for it, but मुझे those are my reasons essentially for liking a movie
जैसे
interestingly.
दिलवाले सेल हो रही है ना इस पॉडकास्ट के एपिसोड
कोई नहीं देखेगा उसकी वजह से.
नहीं, I
मतलब
am like I
मैं
want to
सेल
know
करने के लिए मैं सिर्फ इतना बोलूंगी कि मतलब ज्यादा सोचो मत, मतलब डोंट गो वॉच इट थिंकिंग कि मतलब कोई बहुत ही सिनेमैटिकली अमेजिंग मूवी है जिसमें शाहरुख ने बहुत
Which is
अच्छी
the way
एक्टिंग की
Shetty
और
in
एनीथिंग.
general.
yeah,
Yeah,
so
but it's a
I
fun
agree with
movie.
you.
If you like Shahrukh and Kajol together as a pairing, you'll see some nostalgia there. If you like general comic, matlab mania happening where there's like a lot of people who don't know the entire plot, but you as a viewer know the entire plot, and there's a lot of confusion that ensues because of that. Then it's fun. You like some action, some masala, then you will have a good time. Like there is not much to critically analyze in my opinion in the film. I just went, I had a good time.
I
Yeah,
think
for
for
sure.
me, I went into knowing that it's a Rohit Shetty film, and then also I felt disappointed. Also, Diggy, I have a question to ask.
बोलो.
Among Dilwale and Chennai Express, do you like
Yeah.
Dilwale more?
Yeah, I do.
I can tell you without watching the Chennai Express that I like Dilwale more, because at least
वो तो
Dilwale
because
doesn't make any stupid stereotype and like make fun of some kind of trope. Okay, that I will anyway. I will crib
I
about that
definitely
when
like
we watch
Dilwale more.
Chennai Express. But yeah,
Interesting. ठीक है, because I was
Although
like,
Chennai Express did way better, and I'll tell you why.
मेरे को
Chennai
चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस मेरे
Express.
को बेटर लगी थी वैसे,
हाँ,
just from a
and again
cinematic experience for
that's a very
sure.
majority opinion, and I think cinematically and technically also might be a better movie. But
Diksha.
no, I mean I cannot like
yeah,
Chennai Express. So.
that's fair, and that's why a lot of people also didn't like it. And it's a very valid criticism, and so is Dilwale's criticism very valid.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
and what Preeti said is, I think, essentially the crux of why people didn't like it is because people went in expecting Shah Rukh and Kajol ka romance, or Shah Rukh and Kajol more time, and वो नहीं मिला, and people were disappointed by it. And obviously Varun Dhawan cannot hold himself as well in front of somebody like
Especially in front of Shah Rukh
Kajol,
fans.
especially.
Like
हाँ,
imagine
and
a theater
yeah,
full of
exactly.
Preetis watching that film and they're like, "Ki Shah Rukh ko lao yaar."
Yeah. And same with Kriti Sanon कि ठीक है, मतलब she had not matured as much as
But you could
as
have
an
put
actress by
any
then.
two people in place
It
of
would
Varun
have
and
been the
Kriti, and
same.
it would have been the same feedback, same reception. Matlab they were
Yeah,
not
because you're
consequential
comparing
to the
them to.
performance of the film. Yeah.
So that's a very valid criticism. And see, Deepika and Shahrukh doesn't have the same charm as people. Like people don't go in expecting to be wowed by their chemistry. Obviously, and there's a significant age gap as well, so people have their opinion about rightful opinion about that as well. तो वो ना नॉस्टैल्जिया फैक्टर है ना वो है, तो चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस सबको पता था, रोहित शेट्टी चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस मसाला मूवी, और वैसे ही निकली तो हो गया. दिलवाले से एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत अलग थी, and that didn't land, I think. And of course,
Yeah, maybe.
Chennai Express had a lot. I wasn't an ensemble movie. Had a lot more Shah Rukh, Deepika than
Yeah,
Dilwale.
I
yeah,
think
That's
yeah.
probably
Dilwale is
why.
my favorite Rohit Shetty film now. I mean, granted, I haven't seen all that many, but मतलब गोलमाल वगैरह से तो मेरे को better लगी. And गोलमाल is also
Oh,
like nonsensical comedy only, ठीक है? तो
yeah, Golmaal is
yeah,
fun. Rohit Shetty generally makes it at
yeah.
times maybe problematic movies, but fun movies. Those parts of his movies are problematic, but overall it's a fun experience, and that shows in his collections also. Yeah, matlab it is always hits it out of the park, barring maybe the past few times. So he does quite well. Cool. Yeah.
Yeah,
Do
so
we
now
want to go
let's simp
into?
about Shah Rukh. I think we should let Preeti go first because she's not been able
Huh.
to say anything nice about this film so far. So
I
now
swear,
is her
it's
chance.
just been us versus her.
यार लेकिन शाहरुख इज सो गुड इन द मूवी. लाइक व्हेनेवर ही सीन दैट आई वाज लाइक यार इसको क्यों नहीं बोलने दे रहे हो तुम, ज्यादा दिखाओ ना यार इसकी. एक तो हिज वेस्ट इज बेस्ट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू से अगेन, बिकॉज दैट
Yeah.
black vest red bandana look was chef's kiss. And his comic timing is so good. Like when he says रामलाल, मेरी तुमको पर्सनालिटी रामलाल वाली लिखती है धोबी वाली. I was I was laughing on मेरी आवाज चली गई, but yeah, I was laughing like madly. Multiple scenes, even when he goes wearing that hoodie and says कि badana काली आया था. Like he's so badass and it's so nicely done. The
Yeah.
scene, like I'm just thinking, like I was like, yes, this is the guy I want to. I'm here to watch the movie for. And even when he's telling Boman is शुरू में ना, oh मुझे गन से तो बहुत डर लगता है, all of that, you can tell I don't know, it's done in such a cute way that you're just, oh, such a pookie, he's such a nice guy, all of that, but you also know कि he can be a badass because थोड़ा predictable तो लगता है वो जो भी, but. And then yeah, Janam Janam made the whole rain scene and everything, the way it's shot, so beautiful. Shah Rukh looks so amazing. Their chemistry, Kajal Shah Rukh's chemistry is whenever like they are together, like actively trying to turn the chemistry on. You can just say that they know what they're doing. It's done so beautifully. I just wanted to see a lot more of Shah Rukh. Even the last scene when they're dancing, जब वो
Yeah.
उसकी शादी में they're doing the slow dance and everything, and that exchange of them very funnily accepting कि you know this is what we want, कि अच्छा तुम आ जाना शादी के बाद कभी कभी, मैं पिक भी कर दूंगा, ड्रॉप भी कर दूंगा, एस्कॉर्ट भी कर दूंगा. Like, and then she's like, but you know all that, like it's so cute, man. I was like, मेरे को भी चाहिए ऐसा pick up and drop service. What is this? Where is my Kali? I don't know. Like yeah. So those were my, like, I don't know, simp moments. I was like, oh, so cute. Where is my guy doing all this? I don't know. This is sad. So yeah, it was very cute.
That's nice. Cool. Diksha, you want to go?
Yeah, I think everything that Preeti said, 10 on 10. Any scene with Shah Rukh Kajol was basically a simp moment for me, to be honest, because like
Yeah.
they, except for, you know, that flashback sequence before he finds out who she is and everything, because that sequence, I was just like, this is just not working for me. Is this why the movie failed? Like, Shah Rukh Kajol don't have chemistry. And I was like, so proven wrong when that car chase sequence happened. Sorry, Preeti, I know you don't like car chases, but I fucking love that scene, okay? Because that इतना narrow सा road है, ठीक है, and there's like it's a cliff, both sides there's मतलब खाई and नीचे पानी है पूरा, ठीक है, and I was like actually on the edge of my seat because it was so exciting. And then the cars spin and there's a moment where they just look at each other as the cars are turning, and oh my god, the intensity of their glares was just like out of this world. And then obviously वो उसको बचा लेता है, and like the moment he pulls her into the car, I was like, fuck, they can just turn it on and turn it off just like that. Like, this is the Shah Rukh Kajol that I have known, that I have grown up with. And yeah, I fucking loved it. And when he threatens her and says कि तुम मतलब मिलोगी तो मैं जान से मार दूंगा and all that, and oh my god, like I was so I was just, that scene was just too good. That intensity I loved. And then yeah, I think also the scene which Diggy talked about earlier, where when he's talking to Varun Dhawan and he's just like, they're just like making light of it, and they're like, हाँ next time पता कर लेना कि मेरी उसकी बड़ी बहन के साथ affair तो नहीं हुआ है, and all that. And it was so cute. And then
Yeah.
नहीं, मैं उससे
yeah,
पूछ
he
लूंगा
just
कि उसकी
hugs
कोई
her.
बड़ी बहन तो नहीं है। मेरे दिमाग में भी दैट वाज माय थॉट कि उसका सबकी बड़ी बहन के साथ थोड़ी ना चक्कर चला होगा। शाहरुख रियली सेज दैट डायलॉग, सो क्यूट।
True.
Yeah, and then I think just also that last scene, which is like the only kind of rom-comish, middle-aged rom-comish scene which they gave to the film, because everything else was just like super intense between the two of them, right? मतलब it was enemies to lovers वाला thing, but वो जब उसको घर का टूर दे रहा होता है, और वो मतलब ऐसे एक एक सेंटेंस के बीच में रैंडमली कुछ डिस्क्राइब कर रही है, हमारा गराज है, यहाँ पे हम ये करते हैं, यहाँ पे ये गाड़ी बनाते हैं, वो करते हैं. It was so cute and so funny, and like Kajol was looking at him the whole time, and it was like, and he was looking anywhere else, and I was just like, this is so cute. Yeah, I think those were my Shahrukh Simp moments.
Cool. I think मैं तो काफी बता रखा हूँ अपने same moments.
Let me guess, जब डिशुम डिशुम चल रहा था, जब डिशुम डिशुम चल रहा था,
वो तो मैंने
और वो
मैंने
एक और
हूट किया
बात
था
जब
यार
डिशुम
उसपे.
डिशुम चल रहा था.
तो हाँ मतलब ठीक है, वो तो है ही है. I've talked about that already, so I won't repeat myself. But I think there were two scenes. One is a car chase, and the moment that sort of he tells her कि मैंने तो प्यार सच्चा ही किया था, and you were the one, तो धोखा तो तुमने दिया था. And the intention, and that is when you can see on Kajol's eyes also. That's when like there is hate and there is love on Shah Rukh's face, but there is realization and love on Kajol's face. That was a very, very well done scene, I feel. Okay,
And
ठीक है,
there's like
मतलब
fear, in
it's
her eyes. Like she's
हाँ,
scared, not just because she almost died, but because she's realizing that she might actually be in love with
she
him.
might be actually be in love. हाँ, तो and
Such good
it's very
actors, yaar.
nicely done.
Such good
See, थोड़ा
actors.
over dramatized हो सकता है वो scene, but ठीक है. As I say, I buy into all of this. तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है. So that way, I think like a very, very good scene. Obviously, the scene between Varun Dhawan and Shah Rukh, which I already talked about, where they sort of hug and he tells her कि बाढ़ में जाए romance, भाई मेरा प्यारा है. It's very, very, very well done. And I think the last dancing wala scene and the absolute end scene when she's in the hospital.
Kali! Oh no, not that one. Okay.
हाँ, दो तो
Hospital wala.
अच्छे
Oh yeah, I like the hospital scene also. That
hospital
was
scene,
good.
and also because it's a very nice reference to DDLJ.
No,
So
but I
yeah,
I actually had like tears in my eyes from laughing in that hospital scene, because she wakes up and they are like, भैया ने हमें सब कुछ बता दिया है कि कैसे आपने मेरी परवरिश के लिए उन्हें छोड़ दिया क्योंकि वो धोबी से काली बन गए थे पैसों की लालच में. I fucking lost it. That was too funny.
yeah man. Oh yeah, and that one scene where Shahrukh is offended कि यार तूने मुझे धोबी बना दिया यार, मतलब we were mafia man, like ठीक है गुंडे थे but we were fucking mafia यार, ये क्या मतलब धोबी बना दिया
Mafia's
तुमने मेरे को. So that was a like a damn good scene and very funny also, very good comic timing from Shahrukh.
as
But
always.
yeah, some moments.
Would you watch again?
Oh yeah, we have to do that as well. I mean, I've rewatched it so many times. अभी भी हंसी आ रही थी देख के, तो मैं तो देख ही रहा हूँ. ये मेरे लिए बहुत fun watch है movie. Is getting other
And
people to watch it with me is what the problem is.
Nikki, I'll watch
When I
with
was
you.
है ना?
Anytime you want, I will watch with you.
When I was about to start watching the movie with you guys for the first time, तो मेरे को I told Anjali, मैं कहा यार तो पहले like दिलवाले देखनी है, and she gave me such a look. पागल है क्या? And then finally, when we decided to watch after lunch and after breakfast and all, I was like, अच्छा, I have to watch दिलवाले and all. She's like, यहाँ नहीं देखोगे, अंदर जाके लैपटॉप पे देखो. अरे यार इसको तो बिल्कुल साथ भी नहीं बैठना है, अपना काम भी नहीं करना है इस टाइम पे. तो हाँ, obviously people don't like it, तो हर बार मैं अकेले मोबाइल देख रहा होता हूँ. But I would definitely watch it again. Yeah, I would not
Aw.
watch it without Shah Rukh. I would not watch it for
I
sure.
think I would watch it maybe without Shah Rukh also once, not multiple times, because it's like it's a Rohit
हाँ,
Shetty comedy, right? मतलब एक बार देखने में
yeah.
मजा
Then
आता है,
it's a
but
Rohit Shetty
मेरे
comedy.
को
Yeah.
शाहरुख की वजह से वो बार बार देखने में मजा आएगा, तो I will definitely
हाँ,
watch it again. मतलब this will
yeah.
become like a comfort time pass watch कि खाना खा रहे हैं तो
Yeah.
टीवी चला लिया, दिलवाले
मैंने
देख
रोहित
ली.
शेट्टी की कोई मूवी वॉलंटरली लगा के नहीं देखी है फिर से. मैं probably वॉच गोलमाल एक बार कभी टीवी पे आ गई थी, and that's it, and that's like no other movie है कि आज मैं ये देखता हूँ, बोल बच्चन बोल देखता हूँ या सिंघम देखता हूँ. मैं कभी भी नहीं है. No other movie I watched is except for दिलवाले, and obviously Chennai Express I watched a couple of times.
प्रीति.
प्रीति बताओ.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry
Won't
guys.
watch it again. Will probably watch only the Shah Rukh scenes wherever possible. Would have not watched it if not for Shah. Like I didn't watch it for Shah Rukh also all these years, so can't really say.
No, fair,
Rating तो
fair,
नहीं ही
very fair.
करते हैं. I don't want to rate it.
I'll give it like a 3.5, I think. Matlab, it was a good, fun movie for me, and all the
Yeah.
problems Preeti described, 100% correct. I think I would have still given it 4 if there was more Shah Rukh Kajol in it. So 3.5.
Same, 3, and I absolutely bang on with the rating. 4 thoda maybe injustice to other movies
I
that I've
know.
given 4.
Exactly.
Otherwise, I want to give it 4, but ठीक है. 3.5 is I think very fair rating. Preeti,
Preeti?
2, 2.5, 2.5 दे सकते
नहीं
हो.
यार.
1.5 चल दे दे.
नहीं
मैंने तो
यार.
इतना कम नहीं देखी, 2.5-3 तो दे दी.
नहीं हाँ I think 2.53. 0.5 extra for जन्म जन्म
वाओ,
and गेरुआ.
2.53 भी मेरे को ज्यादा ही लग रहा है कि जितना बुराई प्रीति ने किया मेरे को तो
हमने
नहीं लग
3.5
रहा
दिया, इसने 3 दिया, इतना भी कोई फर्क नहीं
I know.
है.
No, for her it was not as bad as a 2-star rated movie. For us, it was not as good as a 4-star rated movie. So that's where
Yeah,
we.
yeah. Plus she's given other movies 2.5, वो नहीं देना चाह रही. We've given other movies 4, तो हम तो 0.5 कम करके उधर लैंड कर रहे हैं. Cool. Okay, time for the quiz. I'm trying something new. It's not the regular ये क्या है वो क्या है buzzer and all of that.
Oh, no buzzers.
Buzzer नहीं है.
Interesting.
हाँ, buzzer में से I have a problem with the buzzer, क्योंकि मैं जब बज
Of
कर रहा
course.
होता हूँ मुझे लगता है हमेशा मैं पहले बज करता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं पहले बोलता हूँ आवाज बाद में आती है, एंड टर्न्स आउट की आवाज उल्टी पहुंची है. So buzzer is incorrect. At least I've tried to reduce the lag and space for internet problems, but थोड़ा तो होगा ही, कर नहीं सकते. So there is an element of time in it, a little bit, right? Hold on. So let me just go ahead and share. I mean, I'm sharing screen, but it doesn't really impact the quiz format as such, because I'm going to voice all the questions anyways. The quiz name is "कौन बनेगी बड़ी दिलवाली," because there's only 2 contestants, both are ladies. So I'm trying to be not inclusive, but whatever. You get the
Oh,
idea.
बड़ी दिल वाली. I read it as
Yeah.
Diwali. I was so confused. I was like,
What यार? कितना मैंने so thought डाला है इसमें पन में.
I'm reading it as बड़ी दिवाली because I'm not अच्छा दिवाली आने वाली है शायद इसलिए कहा
Come on यार. God, okay. First joke didn't land.
It landed in me. Okay, I laughed. Unlike other Varun Dhawan jokes in the movie, your joke was amazing.
Oh God. Okay, cool.
Yes, go ahead.
So here's how the format is going to go. There's a set of questions. Both of you are going to be asked the same set of questions.
Okay.
When I'm asking, so whoever essentially gets the most questions correct will be judged the winner. And there'll be a time around it because I'll be trying to go through it very fast. We'll have a component of rapid fire to it. If there is a tie, which it could be, because I mean you could land up at 15, 16, whatever, same time. We'll see कि कितने who has answered in the answer faster. I don't expect there to be a tie, but it could be. Every question carries same weightage. There's no part points, nothing like that. ठीक है. If you don't know the questions, making this as we go. If you don't know the question, you can pass, but we are not coming back to the question again. If you pass, you pass, right? There are no hints to this, so there's no half a mark के ये hint आ गया. अभी नहीं आता तो नहीं आता. Next, okay. Preeti, you're on mute if you're talking.
Nothing, go ahead. I was saying अभी तो लिखा था कि hint मिलेगा.
हाँ नहीं
ये
देना
cheating
decided कि
है.
नहीं. Impromptu decided कि नहीं. अरे फिर बहुत मुझे भी hint सोचना पड़ेगा. Time जाएगा. It'll sort of ruin
हाँ
the flow
ठीक है,
of the thing.
fair enough. उसको hint
है ना?
सोचना पड़ेगा, फिर next person के लिए advantage हो जाता है.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
वो है. ठीक है. All right. The other person, so whoever is जिसको मैं quiz कर रहा हूँ, the other person will turn off their audio.
Oh, I like this thing, Dilwale, a Fast and Furious quiz show.
ठीक है. So the other person will turn off the audio. Okay.
Cool.
Camera on रहेगा. You will see us talking to each other. Lip read करना है तो कर सकते हो. That's your talent. But
एक
हाँ.
सेकंड मेरे को ये देखना पड़ेगा ऑडियो कैसे लीव करते हैं.
अरे वो है ना, वहाँ पे टर्न ऑफ ऑडियो का ऑप्शन होता है यार.
यार
Pretty
इस
sure होता है.
आईपैड में मुझे नहीं पता कैसे होता. सॉरी यार, तो मैं छोड़ दूंगी कॉल या तो उस 2 मिनट के लिए
या
समथिंग.
तो प्रीति का पहले कर लो तो मैं ऑडियो ऑफ कर देती हूँ, बाद में फिर उसका ऑन कर लेना.
हाँ, yeah. time doesn't matter in this, so we can do
Yeah.
it either ways. That's actually true. We'll go with Preeti first. Yeah, then Preeti also knows exactly क्या चल रहा है.
Oh
Cool.
no.
Yeah.
Oh
There we will
wait,
discuss
I'm
the.
just confused because it's recording on my computer. If I turn off
हाँ,
audio, will the recording still have the audio?
Interesting.
interesting.
होना चाहिए ना?
मैं हेडसेट उतार के रख दूंगी, चलेगा सबको?
हाँ, well, I trust you. That's fine.
ठीक है.
Yeah, yeah. वो so I got this idea from अंताक्षरी जिसमें वो headset पहनते हैं muffle करने के लिए. तो you can take off the headset. Fair enough, absolutely. That's fine. And we will discuss the answer at the end. What I will do is we will be marking the answers as right or wrong live, so the other person
Wow.
knows. But I have randomized the order of the questions for both of you, so you don't know कि अच्छा इसने ये आंसर किया तो मुझे ये वाला आंसर करना है. All of that, वो mathematics नहीं है. There are enough
Okay.
questions, वो सब randomized. So you know as the person progressing where the quiz is heading. Okay,
Cool.
fair.
Okay. I fear that I will get 0, but okay. Let's go.
I mean it's okay.
Okay. I will take my headset off now.
You take your headset off.
धक धक हो रहा है.
ठीक है. Preeti, we will start at okay, it's fine. The lag is the same for you. The moment I click on the moment the timer starts, I start asking the questions. Fair?
Fair.
Let me see where you are. Okay, we'll edit all the silence out. It's fine.
Of course, of course.
Cool. Let me zoom into your yeah, perfect. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. पुराने जमाने में प्यार कैसा होता था? As per Varun Sharma, when he's talking to his brothers and Shah Rukh Khan. लड़की कैसे पटती थी? It's a dialogue.
I don't know.
Okay. There's a car chase scene when Shah Rukh is chasing Kajol. It's a very iconic scene from a very iconic movie. It's part of a multi-million-dollar action franchise. What movie is it from? Just name the franchise. That's fine.
Mission Impossible.
Correct.
Okay.
How did Kabir Bedi and Vinod Khanna know each other originally?
Know each
No.
other originally. They are rivals, na?
No, that's not wrong. That's not correct. Sorry.
Okay.
Complete the dialogue. ऊपर से BlackBerry, नीचे से
Nokia. I don't know.
no.
Landline. Sorry.
नहीं. They only get one shot. This 1990 Sanjay Dutt movie inspires the line रामलाल के चक्के छूट गए.
Sanjay
That
Dutt
scene में
movie.
जो montage आता है ना वो एक
हाँ.
हाँ तो उसमें बोलता है रामलाल के चक्के छूट गए.
Sanjay Dutt movie. No clue. Okay.
No clue.
Can't think
What
of
is
anything right now.
what is Kajol's full name?
Meera Malik. Meera Dev Malik.
Perfect. Good. What two movies loosely inspire the plot line of the movie?
Hum.
Yeah.
Mission Impossible.
Hum we know, but the second one is what I'm looking for. Hum we've talked about.
Bollywood only, yeah?
Yes, it's a Bollywood movie.
Can't think of anything right now. Yeah. Shit.
It's okay,
Okay.
fine. What ice cream does Kajol want on her 5-minute date? यार ये तो
Belgian dark chocolate something?
I'll give it to you. Belgian chocolate chip. Vinod Khanna and Kabir Bedi shoot each other as when they clash, right? That scene is taken from an iconic movie. Name the movie.
I have no idea.
Okay, so the same I'll tell the trivia. Essentially, they are the same actors in that movie. They recreate that scene essentially.
Kabir Bedi and other guy. What's his name?
Vinod Khanna, yeah, Vinod Khanna.
I can't think of anything. It's fine.
It's okay. Complete the dialogue. Veer fast tha, aap dash mat ho.
Slow math?
No, sorry. What brand phone does Shah Rukh give Varun Dhawan?
Nokia? Samsung? Nokia.
No. What car does
Sorry,
Varun Dhawan
Samsung.
make his
Can I
entry?
go back to Samsung?
No. Samsung also wrong. What car does Varun Dhawan make his entry scene in?
It's a BMW.
Perfect. This movie inspired the scene of Varun's confession. What movie? Confession to his to Kriti Sanon telling he loves her.
अरे यार वो English वाली movie.
Yes.
I know the scene. Some Christmas holidays or something.
You're close.
Okay. I don't know. I know what the movie is, but I can't think of it right now. ठीक है, हटा लो. Anyway, I'm
ठीक है.
दे दो या तो Christmas के उस पे.
नहीं क्रिसमस में तो नहीं दे रहा हूँ मैं. Okay. Give me
New
one
Year
movie.
something. नहीं, sorry.
No. Give me one movie जिसमें Amitabh Bachchan. So Amitabh Bachchan is in this movie in the form of a TV screen. It's in that iconic scene of montages.
Sholay.
What? Give me one movie. Sholay. He's not in that movie. He's not in that scene. Give me the movie. इसमें scene पे होता है वो. दो movies हैं. एक movie बताओ.
मोहब्बतें?
No, incorrect.
Wow, I'm losing it so badly. बोलो आगे.
What actor plays the role in the movie which inspired Boman and I's character? It's inspired from Hum. Hum में character होता है. tell me the person who plays
नहीं
that
यार,
word.
बहुत टाइम हो गया हम देखे हुए, आगे बढ़ो।
My God, ये तो अच्छा, complete the dialogue. तंबू में dash dash.
तंबू में बम्बू?
No, dash dash. Okay, what? Rohit Shetty is a fan of wrestling. There's a 5 second scene of wrestling. Identify the wrestler in the scene. Obviously, I would have asked this.
अंडरटेकर?
No. What was the name? Wait, sorry.
This is the worst quiz of my life. Oh my god.
What movie is Ramlal's profession inspired from? It's a dhobi. What movie is inspired from? Like they're seeing a bunch of things in the movie. Right?
हलचल?
No. Sanjay Mishra's full name
Oh
in the
my
movie.
god. नहीं यार.
Okay. Complete the dialogue. Namakul, Colgate, what? Namakul, Colgate. Oh my god.
सुना ही नहीं है मैंने. Which did we watch different movies?
What imaginary profession did Kajol's father have in the story that she tells Shah Rukh?
Oh, I don't know.
How much time does Varun Dhawan spend trying to tell Shah Rukh that he loves Kriti?
15 minutes? Half an hour?
No, half an hour is fine. I'll give you that. Fine. Okay, cool.
Okay.
Movie number 2 where Amitabh Bachchan makes his appearance. There were 2 movies. I'm giving you another chance. Can you think of the movie? वो montage आता है. In that montage, can you think of it?
अमर अकबर एंथनी?
No, incorrect. Sorry. Okay, that is it.
मैंने सोचा था दोबारा देख लेना चाहिए. ठीक है.
अरे एक क्वेश्चन में मैंने लिखा, वो पूरा नहीं लिखा तो मुझे याद ही नहीं है वो.
ठीक है. I am.
Hello guys, I'm back.
Hello. Okay, so 23 questions are there.
Is the
Preeti
X
got
wrong or right?
right.
Wait, so 23 questions and Preeti got 5 right.
Yeah.
क्या?
And okay, time का क्या फंडा है? मतलब I need to get
अब तो रोल में नहीं आएगा.
6 questions correct, no?
See, even if you get 7 questions correct, it's fine.
हाँ, मतलब time का
So
क्या है? If only if I get only 5, then time matters, right? Now.
yeah. So
Okay,
you need to
cool.
beat that time. Yeah. 6
Cool.
minutes, it's pretty वो. अच्छा ठीक है, I'm going
Preeti
to
looks so disappointed now. I'm scared कि कैसे questions है.
okay. See, there were so many references in the movie. I thought कि तुम लोग थोड़ा तो देख के आओगे. मतलब प्रीति को कुछ नहीं याद है. Things that I would expect her to know for sure, like from the movie fucking Hum, like this inspired her. Anyways.
Okay.
All right. 6 minutes 23 seconds for Preeti, and Preeti's got 5 questions correct. We're
I'm
gonna
so
start
scared.
in 3,
I have so much
3,
anxiety.
3, 2, 1. There's a scene of a wrestling scene. What wrestler features for those 5 seconds in the movie?
Oh,
In that montage?
David something. David Byrne. I don't know his name.
No, sorry, but you're close. Finish the
Dave
dialogue. Tambu
Burns.
में no. Finish the dialogue. Tambu में dash dash.
तंबू में dash. पता नहीं. Pass.
What actor plays the role in the movie which inspired Boman Anani's character? In the movie
Anupam
Hum.
Kher. Anupam Kher in Hum.
Perfect. Yeah. What movie is the scene of Vinod Khanna and Kabir Bedi shooting taken from? They recreate this scene, which was them doing this scene way back in early times.
Pass.
What is that movie? Okay. So give me a movie of Amitabh Bachchan which features in this movie.
A movie of Amitabh Bachchan which features in
Which
this.
features, as it is seen आता है in that montage of multiple scenes.
Was it the Diwar, the second part, like
No.
the new Diwar? Okay, shit.
No. There are 2 movies. I see. What imaginary profession did Kajol's father have?
Imaginary profession.
Yeah, she cooks up a story for
yeah,
Shah Rukh.
yeah,
कि
yeah,
my
yeah.
father.
I don't remember.
Complete the dialogue. वीर fast था आप dash मत हो.
Veer what?
वीर fast था आप dash मत हो. Complete the dialogue.
Slow?
No. What movie is the car chase scene taken from? It's part of a multi-million-dollar action franchise.
Fast and Furious?
No. This 1990 movie inspires the line Ramlal के छक्के छूट गए. It's again part of that montage.
1990 movie, you said.
Yeah, 1990 Sanjay Dutt movie inspires the line रामलाल छक्के छूट गए.
Pass.
पुराने जमाने में प्यार कैसा होता था? वरुण धवन क्या बोलता है अपने भाइयों को? क्या आपके जमाने में बस आसान था? ये सब करके हो जाता. What is that dialogue?
Pass. I don't know.
Complete the dialogue. Namakul, Colgate, what?
क्या?
Namakul, Colgate, what? Oscar says this dialogue. What is it?
April Fool?
No. What movie is Ramlal's profession inspired from? There's a scene.
चुप
जब वो
चुप
scene
के?
आता है? No. There's a scene that comes in the movie. ना चलो ठीक है. What ice cream does Kajol want?
Chocolate, Belgian chocolate.
Perfect. Yeah. Sanjay Mishra's full name in the movie.
Pass.
Kajol's full name in the movie.
Meera Dev Malik.
Perfect. Sorry. How did Kabir Bedi and Vinod Khanna know each other originally? वो लोग क्या करते थे?
I don't know.
This movie inspired the scene of Varun Dhawan's confession
Hey,
to
you
Kriti
missed one
Sanon
X.
telling her he loves.
I got the
It's okay.
Kajol question correct.
Yeah, sorry. Okay. This movie inspired this scene of Varun Dhawan's confession. What was the movie? Confession to
Varun
Kriti Sanon
Dhawan's
that he loves her.
confession
Confession to Kriti
to.
Sanon that he loves her. What is the movie where the scene is taken
Oh,
from?
you mentioned this also in the chat. Some Hollywood movie. I don't remember.
Yeah. Okay. ऊपर से BlackBerry, नीचे से dash dash. Complete the dialogue.
Nokia?
No. There's another movie जिसमें अमिताभ बच्चन का appearance आता है, which is the movie. So again, you have another shot at this.
Agnipath. I don't know.
No. What two movies loosely inspire the plotline of the movie?
Hum. And
Yes.
there's one more. The Chintu ka something. No. Chalti Ka Naam Gaadi.
Perfect. What cover does Varun Dhawan make his entry scene in?
BMW.
Perfect. You're tied with Preeti now. Just need one question. How much time does Varun Dhawan spend trying to tell SRK that he loves Kriti?
Fuck. Some 81 minutes or something like that. I don't remember.
Incorrect. So no, you need to actually, okay, you've already won this. What brand phone does Shah Rukh give to Varun Dhawan?
Samsung?
Incorrect. All right. Okay. So both of you are tied at 5 points each,
Oh my God,
which
Diggy.
is
ये क्या था? इतनी ध्यान से दिलवाले कौन देखता है?
अरे यार ये तो मतलब see, तुम लोगों ने बोला कि तुम वो रेफरेंसेस वापस जाके देखोगे, क्विज में पक्का आएंगे। हमने इसमें से डायलॉग जो थे हमने डिस्कस करे थे। मैंने चैट पे लिखा हुआ है यार डायलॉग, मुझे लगा ये तो आसान है। तुमने
पर
चैट में लिखा,
हमने
मैंने भी
बोला ना
नहीं।
नहीं देखी दोबारा, टाइम कहाँ मिला देखने का
नहीं
दोबारा?
बट you wrote the exact dialogue in the chat. मुझे लगता है सारे क्वेश्चन तो ले रहे हैं, ये क्या करूं, पर ठीक है।
Wow, it was so bad that this is
Yeah,
good.
oh my God. 23
I was
questions
laugh.
में हम लोग 5 लिए.
Okay, I feel के the time element of it kind of made it unfair because Diksha knew के 6 minutes 20 seconds है, तो 5 question में sort हो जाएगा। So I'm going to give you like a very जो Diksha ने a tiebreaker question, right? You need to tell me
अब ये मत
Can we
on
buzz
पूछना
up?
chat.
अमिताभ बच्चन का कौन सा मूवी था, मुझे नहीं पता है.
नहीं, that's not what I'll ask you. It's fairly easy. Just tell me.
Buzzer होगा ना? Please, sorry, rules.
Nah, just put it in chat. Not buzzer again. I hate buzzers. Put it in chat. The collection of the movie. I want exact number.
I've sent you in WhatsApp.
अरे मैं WhatsApp कहाँ खोलूँ यार?
अरे यार, एक सेकंड.
नहीं
फोन पे खोलोगे ना दीदी?
ये this is your answer. Check again.
क्या 0 0 मिस कर दिया मैंने?
I'm giving you the option. Final है ना?
रुक जाओ.
ये
Sorry.
थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया डिगी.
अरे यार मतलब मुझे
कलेक्शन
लग रहा
बोलने
है
के
कि
इतना टाइम क्यों देते हैं?
एक्चुअली गलती
नहीं, टाइपो था. Sorry.
टाइपो था ना। हाँ ठीक है। So Diksha has said 376 crore. Preeti has said 360 crore. And I think जितना accurate Diksha रही है वो सही होगा। 376 crore is the right answer. Cool.
मुझे
Okay.
पता था डिगी पूछेगा कलेक्शन में क्वेश्चन पहले
अरे तो
से.
मतलब मुझे I thought of it like on the spot. मैं कलेक्शन का नहीं पूछना चाह रहा था एंड बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन मैंने अब मैं इतने सारे क्वेश्चन डिसाइड कर ही लिए थे, जो बाकी थे वो मैंने क्विज में बात मतलब एपिसोड में बात कर लिया था।
तुम आंसर्स बताना चाहोगे अपने क्वेश्चंस का?
Yes, we'll go through the questions. यार ये तो ठीक
Oh
है।
my God, so funny.
I almost want to give Diksha for getting Dave Bourne right for the wrestler because it was close. It's Dean Ambrose. And knowing that I am
you know
so
what
I'm
I read that trivia and I was like कि अच्छा ये मतलब रेसलर का नाम तो डिगी नहीं एक्सपेक्ट करेगा कि हमें पता होगा, तो I just saw the trivia but I didn't like memorize it, so I remembered it was something with a D and an A. I didn't remember the name.
Dean Ambrose. That's okay.
यार मूवी का
तो
नाम बताओगे? वो क्रिसमस का मुझे नाम तो नहीं आया.
Love Actually.
Love
Love Actually.
Shit यार.
Yeah.
प्लॉट भी बता दिया था डिग्गी मैंने.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं बताया था। क्रिसमस मूवी ये प्लॉट होता है? क्रिसमस मूवी थी। हैप्पी न्यू ईयर मूवी वो तो बहुत होती है। So I think Andrew Lincoln is the name of the actor who does this standing outside a restaurant. Very iconic scene. So the Tambu mein Dhoom Dham, that is the dialogue. What actor plays the movie role? So Preeti Diksha got this right. Anupam Kher. He plays the exact same villain wearing a hat and all. What movie is the scene of Vinod Khanna and Kabir Shuddhi taken from Kacche Dhage? They both play dacoits and they kill each other at the end with guns
कच्चे
pointed each other.
धागे सच्चे प्यार के ना, वही
Interesting.
वाली ना.
I
I
don't
thought
know.
it was probably
क्या
taken
गाने
from
हैं?
some Hollywood movie or something.
No. So it was recreated for उन दोनों ने किया था. It's recreated. ये क्वेश्चन मुझे भी नहीं पता यार. मैं कुछ लिख रहा था वो गलत हो गया. Okay, so there were two movies, Shamitab and Sarkar Raj, जिसमें उसका सीन आता है.
हाँ.
अमिताभ बच्चन का. That's what I was looking for. Kajol's father owned an art gallery, as per her story. वो कहते हैं उनकी art gallery थी तो मैंने भी side में खोल दिया. The dialogue was वीर फास्ट था आप dash मत हो.
There is the
Furious
Fast
मत
and
हो. The
Furious.
answer was there on the screen. Fast and Furious. मुझे लगा ये तो guess कर ही
I thought
लेंगे
the
यार.
other that movie franchise thing was Fast and Furious.
Yeah. Okay. What movie is the car cheese taken from?
James
It is
Bond है
Mission
क्या?
Impossible.
Oh,
Mission
Mission
Impossible.
Impossible.
It's the
Mission
exact scene.
Impossible.
Exact वैसे घूम रहे होते हैं लड़का लड़की टिक टिक टिक. पूरा सेम होता है उसको चेस कर रहा था. The 1990 movie inspiring the line रामलाल के छक्के छूट गए is actually a movie called Sadak. It's I don't know the name of the actor. It's the guy who plays Ajay Devgan's father in Ishq. He plays the role of a transgender and he plays a villain. He's a transgender pimp and it's a very famous Sanjay Dutt Pooja Bhatt movie which was recreated अभी सड़क 2 आई थी तो हाँ वेरी वेरी फेमस मूवी. पुराने जमाने में प्यार कैसा होता? पत्थरों के पीछे भुट्टा खा के और चाय पी के उससे लड़की पट जाती थी. अब तो मूवी then he goes on a tirade like whole rant about के popcorn movie all of that.
हाँ, सब महंगा हो गया
Yeah.
all of that.
मैं इतना हंस रही थी उस सीन में डायलॉग थोड़ी सुन रही थी.
Namakool Colgate Babul. That's the dialogue. Oscar says a lot
Oh.
of these gems throughout the movie. What movie is Ramlal's profession profession inspired from? Ek Duje Ke Liye. That is the scene where Kamal Hassan is a dhobi.
Oh,
That
yes.
was Kamal Hassan.
It's
The
Kamal
thought of
Hassan.
the first dhobi scene in Bollywood that came to my mind was Chup Chup Ke. I was like Chup Chup Ke.
Well, same. I said like in my head I was saying Chup Chup Ke, but I
Yeah.
said Halchal. Like same brain.
Yeah. So what ice cream does Kajol want? Belgian chocolate chip. Both of you got it. Sanjay Mishra's full name was Oscar De Costa. Kajol ka full name, both of you got it, Meera Dev Malik. I was looking for exact Meera Dev Malik, not Meera Malik. Both of you got it. This movie inspired is Varun's Confession, Love Actually. We discussed it. ऊपर से Blackberry, नीचे से Bappi Lahiri.
Oh.
That was the dialogue. Shamitab and that other Sarkar Raj we talked about.
हाँ.
Amitabh Bachchan. How did Kabir Bedi and Vinod Khanna know each other? वो लोग साथ में डॉग्स में चोरी करते थे. That was their
Oh.
past and वहां से वो आ जाता है. What two movies loosely inspired the plotline in the movie? हम and चलती का नाम गाड़ी. Diksha Kaur चलती नाम का गाड़ी. What car does Varun Dhawan make his entry scene in BMW? Funnily, his entry scene is the exact scene which is taken from BMW advertisement. It's a
Yeah.
tribute also. How much time does Varun Dhawan spend trying to tell SRK that he loves Kriti? 30 minutes because SRK बोलता है यार 28 मिनट हो गए तूने कुछ बोला नहीं है. 29 मिनट हो गए तुमने कुछ बोला नहीं है.
82-28 वैसा कुछ मेरे दिमाग में था.
प्रीति got it right. And what brand phone does Shahrukh give Varun Dhawan? It's a Redmi phone. वो उसको जब हॉस्पिटल में फोन गिफ्ट करता है.
ये तो नहीं आता. हाँ, ठीक है.
ये तो मैंने नोटिस कर लिया था देखते थे. Didn't have to rewatch it. But okay guys,
Clearly, my
I put a
details.
lot of effort into this quiz.
I love it.
But
I love it.
none of it landed.
It was so good. I was like, मेरे को शायद Love Actually तो आ जाता है नहीं वो Rapid Fire something.
Because this
my
movie
brain.
like Happy New Year had a lot of references, like a lot of references. हर जगह कुछ कुछ थोड़ा inspired है, थोड़ा
Yeah.
लिया हुआ है.
उतना मैंने ध्यान से मैंने बोला मैंने इतनी डिटेल्स नहीं देखे. मैं बहुत ऊपर से मूवी एंजॉय किया है.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
But very
But
very
good
fun
quiz.
quiz.
Yeah, fun format.
Cool, if you guys say so.
हम निकम्मे हो गए कोई बात
मैं
नहीं.
थोड़ा डिसअपॉइंट हो गया उसको, बट ओके. देखो मैंने ऑर्गेनाइज भी करा यार उसको. सेक्शन कौन सा है रैंडमाइज किया तुम दोनों के लिए.
ओके नेक्स्ट मूवी क्या देख रहे हैं हम? वैसे
कौन-
बाय द वे
कौन-
सॉरी ये दीक्षा गो हैड ये कांग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर
Oh,
विनिंग द
thank you,
क्विज ऑल
Sanjay
दैट
Baby. I'm on a mini streak right now.
Yes.
Technically, Arpita और Aisa का quiz भी in spirit मैंने जीता था. So I'll take
What?
that prize, guys. उसने खुद ही बोला था. डिकी ने चीटिंग करके जीता है.
Please.
अच्छा हाँ.
You
I
looked
agree
up the
उसने cheating
IMDb
करी थी
rating of the
उसने.
movie, okay?
Yeah.
I very openly said कि आफ्टर उसके बेसिस मैंने कुछ भी आंसर नहीं दिया. मुझे आता भी
अबे
नहीं था.
जाओ.
I got nothing.
अबे
हाँ
जाओ.
मुझे आया भी
अबे
नहीं
दीक्षा
आंसर.
is on a mini roll.
She got all the points in that question. मुझे तो आया भी नहीं कुछ. तो मुझे क्या का उसका फायदा.
अच्छा, I think
ये दीक्षा.
next movie is
Is what?
my selection, I think. Yeah.
1990s, right?
1990s. And give me a minute to figure out which movie. I forgot what I thought of.
Go ahead, think of it. I can see you are also on the Google sheet trying to see. I am also on the Google sheet.
तीनों है, हम तीनों है उस पे भी. I don't know.
I can't see
I
you.
see anonymous
मेरे पास
llama.
Acha, okay. No, that's me. I'm from another account.
Okay, cool. I've decided.
1990s, right?
Mm-hmm.
Preeti?
So we
Yeah, how
get
many guesses?
one
One guess,
guess
two
या
guess.
2 guess.
ये मतलब जितने भी ले लो. It doesn't matter.
दो ले लेते हैं प्रीति.
ठीक है, तो आप लोग पहले.
Actually एक ही लेते हैं. प्रीति मुझे
So
बची
okay, you want my? I'll give you a fun hint.
A hint?
So the इसके बाद we'll do a 90s movie. That's my pick. Then the next episode is a guest thing, and उसके बाद मेरा 2000s का pick है. So between the 90s and 2000s pick, I want to do one really good movie and one really bad movie. So I won't tell you which is which. But if you're guessing, then go ahead, guess one really good and one really bad.
Okay, I'm going to presume it's a very bad movie.
I don't. I mean, okay, I'll tell you that.
I'm just presuming it's a bad movie. This is a bad one. So, my God, is it Oh Darling Ye Hai India or Zamana Dewana? Those two.
No, it's neither of those two.
Okay, Preeti.
My guess is Koila and Guddu.
No, it's neither of those. We are watching
It's a good
Chahat.
movie. Oh.
Yeah, I know
Okay.
nothing about the film. I hope you guys also don't. And I just
I
have
have
a
no
feeling
idea.
it's
I
really
know,
bad.
I know, I watched it.
You
Watched
watched
the
it क्या?
movie.
मैंने शायद देखी है. I'm not sure. बचपन में कभी देखी होगी.
उसमें
हाँ.
बहुत प्यारा सा गाना है, दिल की तन्हाई को आवाज बना लेते हैं, दिल दर्द जब हद से गुजरता है तो गा लेते हैं. When I used to sing as a
अरे डैडी
teenager,
कूल वाली मूवी है ना ये. I've seen it बचपन में. डैडी
हाँ,
कूल कूल
so
कूल
I
मेरा
was
बेटा फूल फूल
very
फूल. Yeah.
feels लेती थी मैं इस गाने की. Yes, so
Okay. But इसका IMDb
excited
क्या है?
to
Like,
watch
is
it.
this like a very good movie or is it a
I don't
very
know.
bad
I
movie?
literally just looked at the list of films and I was like, what looks bad here?
Okay. I don't think this is a good movie
I
because
was
it's not
thinking
very
कि
good.
2000s में तो bad movies काफी कम है, right? It's very difficult to find 2000s
हाँ,
नहीं,
bad
ऐसी
2000
बात
was
नहीं है.
good era.
2000s में भी bad
ये
movies
लम्हे
हैं.
जुदाई के is from that movie only. But हाँ, like a really bad movie I think we've done. हम तुम्हारे हैं सुनो.
Yeah, that's true.
बाकी सारे अच्छे हैं यार almost. All the good ones. Okay guys, cool. This was fun.
This was a lot of fun.
Fun.
This will require a lot of editing. And हम उसमें ना in the rapid fire वो
टिक
time
टिक
वाला
टिक टिक.
डालेंगे.
हाँ, मैं भी
टिक
सोच रही थी डालने के लिए.
Cool.
चलो.
Okay. Chalo.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks
Bye
for
guys,
listening in,
everybody.
whoever's listening so far.
Yeah, whoever is listening in so far. Cool. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.